How to make money on YouTube. You can start by joining the YouTube partner program, and that's number one. Number two is sell products or merchandise, and number three is co-fund your next creative project, and by number four, let your audience support you through fan funding, and number five, license your content to the media, and likewise, number six, work with brands as an influencer. So I hope this will help to work and earn money through YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.